Albert Floorotex is an all-purpose, high-quality floor protective mat from Switzerland. Whether used on carpet, hardwood, or ceramic tiles, your floors are protected during construction, moving, and more. Albert Floorotex will protect your floors against scratches, dirt, and damage caused by tools and equipment. Thanks to its unique technology, Albert Floorotex is waterproof but still highly breathable. It protects your floor from water, paint, and other liquid spillage, while moisture can easily escape through the protective membrane. The installation is simple. Due to its flexibility, Albert Floorotex can also be applied to stairs. It has a slightly adherent underside which sticks to the ground and prevents the roll from sliding out of place. Albert Floorotex can be used also for protecting other surfaces and objects, such as bathtubs, countertops, and many more. The mat is tear-proof and durable. It can be reused several times. The anti-skid, waterproof, breathable, reusable floor protective mat that keeps your floors clean and scratch-free. Albert Floorotex makes you and your customers happy.